is the way we wipe the table, wipe the table, wipe the table. This is the way we wipe the table early in the morning. Should we brush our hair?
Yeah.
This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair early in the morning. Are you going to wipe the brush?
Yeah.
This is the way we wipe the brush, wipe the brush, wipe the brush. This is the way we wipe the brush early in the morning. Ah. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Ah. We blow our nose. That's it, blow. Blow. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. And should we have something to eat? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
Do you want some, Mummy? Should we give some to Mum?
Yes, please.
Yum,
Yum,
yum.
yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
Would you like some, Amelia?
Yeah.
Would you like a drink?
Yeah.
Will you
Yeah.
drink some?
You're thirsty. You have a drink?
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful.
Girl.
E. E.
Here we go.
Uh.
Shall we wrap up baby so she can go to sleep? Here's baby. Baby's tired. Should we put baby to sleep? Say shh. Shh, baby. Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Shh. There you go, baby. Shh. There you go, Mum. Put one on baby. Put one on baby. Shh. Go to sleep, baby. La 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 la. Rocking the baby to sleep. La 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 la. Rocking the baby to sleep.
Yeah.
Shh. Here we go. Go to sleep, baby. Shh. Wake up! Wake up! Ah! Ah. There you go, baby. Baby's awake. Is that how you wake Mummy in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah.